Good morning. This is about resetting the maintenance required light, okay? And this came on just a couple miles ago. As you can see, I also need some gas. And you can see the odometer is at 84,657. And this is the trip odometer button that you have to push in order to reset this. So what I'm gonna do is push this when the car is off. All right, so just to show you, this is not the check engine light, right? This is the check engine light, so this is no reason to panic. Okay, so you turn the car off, you push this button down, and then you go to the on, and then the start position, and you notice that this odometer is resetting itself, and it went to 0, and at the same time, that light went off. That's it.